2021 is going to be a great year of discovery and recovery for all of us. We're going to discover more about ourselves, about what we can do about our well-being, about how we can live our lives fully while we help other people, and that will lead to the recovery. So if you haven't bought a copy of the book yet, I recommend that you get it and start with yourself. And then if the book helps you, then recommend it to other people. And I've got an idea that when there's enough people who have read the book, contact me and I'm going to set up a well-being workshop for you. Get about 5 to 10 people together and we will do a well-being workshop with you, with your friends, with your family. We'll bring in other people that, you'll get a chance to meet new friends that you haven't met before. So if you're interested in doing that, get a copy of the book, email me, bconkle at gettbac.com, and we'll get together working on putting together a workshop with you and do what we can to help improve your well-being and those people that join the workshop.